150 years ago, a group of compassionate and committed women began the treatment of Eliza Titus, Saint Barnabas Medical Center's first patient and initial benefactor. In the ensuing century and a half, Saint Barnabas Medical Center has grown from those humble beginnings to an internationally renowned medical center, treating patients from around the globe. What makes Saint Barnabas Medical Center unique is a series of commitments and elements to its very character and soul. It has always housed the greatest and latest technology in the treatment of illness and condition. It has always attracted the best minds in medicine and social services, and it has offered this care in a compassionate way so that those who come to the medical center feel as though they are embraced and are able to have support for themselves and their families. Saint Barnabas Medical Center has ever been growing, and its legacy will continue thanks to its latest project and the reformation of its campus. It is our goal to bring health and wellness and better life to all the communities we support, and we continue to do so here at Saint Barnabas Medical Center.
I don't like doctors. I never did. I have what they call white coat syndrome. When I'm around them, I'm nervous, and my blood pressure goes through the roof. But 1 year ago, I was diagnosed with colon rectal cancer, and it was a big blow. I mean, it devastated me and my family. Who would ever think Ralph Morrissey has colon rectal cancer? I was in the 101st Airborne Air Assault Division. So my neighbor suggested I should go to Saint Barnabas Medical Center for help, and I did. I was taking chemotherapy, and I also had 28 days consecutive of radiation. Then Dr. Oringer removed that tumor, and I feel wonderful. And I'm just a regular guy. I'm a moving man. That's what I do. And these doctors didn't throw $50 words at me. We sat down, we discussed my illness, and they made sure that I could understand. I'm living proof. I made the right call. So, thank you.
I've always been healthy. Back in February, there was a heavy snowstorm, and I went shoveling the snow in my driveway, and I came back. I mean, I told my wife I had, that I had some problem with my chest, but it would go away, and it went away. Basically, after time, it disappeared. And I really ignored it. I mean, it was basically, I think 2 weeks later, that I couldn't walk. I mean, I had pain in my legs, and I went to my family doctor, and he could see there was a change in the EKG and sent me to emergency right away. I knew I had a massive heart attack, and I had clots in my heart and my legs. When I did meet the surgeon, Dr. Zardari, I mean, I felt very at home. I felt very secured by his attitude, by the way he would explain everything to me. Now, 5 months away from my operation, I've been back to work for 4 months, and I have to thank Saint Barnabas. If it wasn't for the staff, the nurses, and the great doctors and technology they have there, I wouldn't be talking to you right now.
I'm thinking, not again. This is my second baby that would be premature. Storm Sandy, my car is underneath a tree. Let me call my sister and tell her to come get me. She said, we're gonna try to reach out to Saint Barnabas. We'll get you there, whether they transfer you or if I have to take you myself, because they're great and they can give you a chance. And so we stayed 176 days, and they allowed me to stay to make sure she was okay. So not only did Saint Barnabas give me hope, they saved my baby. They allowed me to have this little girl who is so perfect in every way. You would never know she went through everything that she went through, and she did it like a champ. There were so many times where I was having a hard time, but just to go there and to see her fighting, I realized I needed to continue to fight for her. So with that, all I can say is thank you, Saint Barnabas. You saved her, and in a sense, you saved me as well.
Saint Barnabas is a special place. There's a reason why great physicians, great healthcare providers come to Barnabas to practice the art of medicine. It provides the great infrastructure, the great equipment, instruments, all the tools that we need to be able to serve, to render care to our patients, to serve our community. Practicing medicine is a challenge, but being part of Saint Barnabas, it's a privilege.
Hello, I'm Steven Zinowitz, President and Chief Executive Officer at Saint Barnabas Medical Center. Welcome and thank you for your time. The patient and family-centered care stories in this video are examples of our healthcare team's passion and diligence for providing compassionate care, healthcare excellence, and superior service. As we look ahead and plan for our future, what we do as a team and a community sets the stage for Saint Barnabas Medical Center's success for the next 150 years. Key projects currently underway that will secure Saint Barnabas Medical Center's bright future include our campus building projects, expansion project, and the Cooperman Family Pavilion. Our future is now, and our success depends on what we do today. I am so proud of Saint Barnabas Medical Center, and that as a healthcare team and supportive community, together we are ready to go forward and ensure a very bright and successful future for our patients and their families and all of the communities that we serve.